Hello, traders, and welcome to Trade Tribe. So here we are going to do a weekly analysis about gold and GBPJPY. So yeah, let's start with the weekly analysis about gold. As you can clearly see that gold is climbing pretty high without making any lows or anything. The structure is completely bullish. If we can clearly see that market is completely volatile over here and it is just moving in the upward direction. There's no downside direction. So what we can expect from market from now on, as you guys know that there is a war going on, and Iran has already attacked Israel. So right now we are expecting this level to be hit. I believe 2800. Nobody is going to stop it. Reasons are, as you know, the war is going on and it will definitely affect the market. And we are seeing that if the war is not stopped before Sunday, so the market will definitely climb on Monday, and we are expecting some bullish momentum. There is nothing. Structure is not making anything like that. We are just trading. Market is just manipulating. If you can clearly see that there is nothing to trade in this market. It is just moving in upward direction without making anything low. Daily, as you can clearly see that it's closed in between the ranges. Yeah, not ranges exactly. It's closed between. Give me a sec. Yeah. This is the resistance, and I believe this will be the support area of it. So here we can clearly see that a market breaks this low, and we can see that bearish momentum can come. But what we are expecting from right now is from market is truly we can look after the trade of a bullish momentum, and we can just enter in any trade which is going in buy side, and we should hold that trade. So I hope it will definitely climb. And if we move to an 4-hour analysis, and so there is a support which has been formed, I believe, and it's mostly a supply area. There is a support which has been formed over here, and there is a resistance which will be over here, which I will take it and then poke it and market close below it. So if we get a breakout below this, so we can look for the bearish side. As you can clearly see that if we get something like this, then we can expect market to be over here. This will be my next level where I can definitely expect market. But as you know, the conditions of war is going on, so I don't think so. It will be going that much low. That's my personal opinion. I believe the market will definitely climb and it will reject this area, uh, and it will move something like this. It will be breakout and it will be moving like this. Yeah. So this is what I'm expecting from market right now, and it will climb definitely upside. So these are some 4 hour and daily prediction. Let's move to 1 hour, not exactly 1 hour. Let's move to 30 minute or 15 minute, the time frame where I trade usually. So if we go to the 15 minute, we can clearly see that there's a demand going on over here. This is the demand area, not exactly this one. This is the demand area which I will definitely trade. It was off market time zone, but it was the area where we can trade, but are not trading. As you can clearly see that higher high and low, higher high, low, and then the market moves. So the last low of the week should be the area where we have to trade, and this was the area. Exactly, the trade was over here. If we found it on a 15 minute, this was my setup. If I have traded it because it was the last low from where the market pumped, and it was an impulsive move, so I believe market has to tap that area, and market has to rush. And if we go with the stop loss, so I believe it will not be more. It is more than 70 pips. So yeah, we should not trade. Avoid this setup. As you can clearly see, that market has broken many lows, many things, and it has moved to the downside. So right now, what exactly I'm expecting from 15 minutes and what market can bring to us is my for sales. I'm not looking for sales. Definitely not looking for sales area, but I will look for sales once I got some supplies on a market. It should get in a ranges or in a specific area where I can see that momentum is bearish, so I will look for the sells. But right now, what I am seeing is market to be completely bullish over here. From here, we can expect something like this should be happening, and market should create some demand zone over here. Here, we want some demand zone from where market should reject, and after that should tap and it should move upside, and we will catch the move if we get it in a London session or New York session, hopefully, and we will get some data. We will get some setup from here, and definitely we will catch it if we found something. Okay, just give me a second. I'm removing it, and yeah. Okay, so this is the currently expectation. But what if it broke this low area, 15 minute? What if we broke this area? If we broke this area, definitely we are looking for the downside move, downside momentum. I hope then if it's break this area on a 15 minute, I'm going with this area. If this area gets okay, then we are looking for again a buy zone. A very good area for the buy zone is over here. As you can clearly see that this is the beautiful demand zone. As you can clearly see that market moves in the upside direction. How I trade the supply zone, you can also identify over here. Market moves in the upside direction. Give me a second. The market move in the upside direction. Comes down, break of structure, and now the break of structure happened. This is the break of structure, and this is the large bottom thing before the market moves, an impulsive move. So obviously it doesn't tap that area, so I'm looking for if market comes down, then I will look for this area. This will be my next area for the trade, and not that area. Give me a sec. Yeah, this will not be my area for trade because already market has stepped. So I will be looking for this area if market comes down, and this will be my next range will be this area, and this will be my next area for market for bullish. Still, I'm not looking for bearish momentum, but if I get something from upside and I see the market bias is going to be a bearish, and which I don't think so because obviously the war is going on, and I don't think so that it will be a bearish. So we have to get some bullish momentum, and it will go pretty much long if we get some good trades. And I will definitely hold it because the last week was not good up to the mark. Reasons was we are the traders we were ill totally, and we can't trade properly, and there was Eid, so that was the reason that we can't trade. And we come on Friday and said Thursday and Friday, and obviously we got stopped out on the two trades, which was a clear setup. But I believe market has reacted its own way. This is what I'm expecting from gold right now. There's nothing for a bearish momentum. We are just looking for a bullish. These two areas I have already tapped, and you will find on. I will just upload it on Telegram also. So let's move to the GBPJPY. How about it? You can see GBPJPY. If we go on the daily time frame, I believe it has created a very good bottom wick. See, without any top wick, there is a bottom wick over here, a minor topic and nothing else. And market has broken its support. I believe the supply demand should have failed over here. Reason was it has broken this area, and I already put my stop loss below it if I have traded it. And it again hit the stop loss because market was just rejecting. I believe GDP effect was happening late in the market. So this is the major area from where I am expecting market to be stable because it's the support area over here, and resistance area is definitely over here where I'm expecting, and I'm expecting market to be bullish from here because reason that there is no topic over here, and market just liquidate all the stop losses below here, and after that I believe market should climb up and it should reject this area. There are liquidity over here, so I hope market should grab it and it should reject and it should be bullish. GBP should be bullish, which I personally believe on daily time frame. Let's move to the 4 for see, this will be my supply zone here, but obviously market has rejected this area, and I believe we should have stopped out. Reason for the bottom big, yeah. So it was again a trade, clear trade where we can see that breakout structure happen and market just make an impulsive move. And this was the liquidity area. We were on a 4 hour time frame, which we can say anything, something like this. And market should reject from here, but it has stopped the result because I believe there will be my stop loss, or maybe we can't. I should put my stop loss below that, but it already hit it. It doesn't matter. So this is what market is bringing to us. Next area. Next area. Let's move to the 15-minute area and just find the area from where we can trade the market right now. Right now, for the bullish side, as you can clearly see that the market is pretty much bearish, and the way it is rejecting it. So there are multiple areas over here. You can clearly see that. But what area I am looking for is this area for the bearish side. The reasons are, as you can clearly see, that it is the main area of a supply demand, and over here it has already rejected the liquidity. So to be honest, I'm looking for also a bearish momentum over here for the market, and I hope that market moves in the upside direction. That move is the 30 minute because I can't see the previous data. It already sweep the lows, and there's a order, I believe supply demand over here also, which hasn't been tapped yet. So I'm looking for this area to be tapped, and after that I will see what happens in the market. And my next area should be over here if market comes down, because I'm pretty much bullish on it. Still, I'm not looking for a bearish side over here. But if I get a trade on a sell side on Monday, so I will be looking after that. But these are two of my areas, and from upside direction, I'm not looking for anything. But yeah, this is my upside direction trade. If I get something over here, I will look for the sales, and I will market tap this area. Then we look for some buys, and we get some good trades. As expected, we get the trade over 100 pips mostly, but last week was not pretty much good for us, so it doesn't matter. Everything happened in trading, and not every week is a good week, so it doesn't affect my mentality. I hope your mentality also doesn't get affected. So yeah, this is what I'm expecting from gold right now. GJ analysis is this. If anybody wants some specific analysis about some specific currency pairs, so you can ask me. Right now, market is moving like this, and I'm hoping market should reject like this. This is what I'm expecting. I've added some new pairs like JBB, USD, and JBB CAT. These are some new pairs which I am been back testing but not performing exactly. So once I will be ready with it, I will definitely also give the analysis about it. These are some good pairs which I look for. Small currency pairs which I believe should give us some good pips with small stop losses. And yeah, this is what I'm expecting from market. And I hope you guys like my analysis about JBPY and gold. Please make sure to follow us on Discord, TikTok, Telegram, and Instagram. Links should be mentioned in the comments in the description below. And please give this video a like and thumbs up, and mention in comments which pair you want, and I will make sure that I make the analysis about it. So see you on Monday on live stream. Take care. Bye bye. See you.